nin, wa, witchy, ha, hoyo, ya, yahas. Hamza, or the apostrophe, this shortens the word abruptly. For example, like lo. Shagala gaben, short vowels. A, af, e, it, indo, o, orki, u, ubah. Shaglader, long vowels. These are extended sounds. A, dar, leho, I, kish, o, doni, u, cool. Adding consonants and short and long vowels, ba and a gives us ba. Ba and a gives us ba. Ba and e gives us be. Ba and e gives us be. Ba and it gives us bit. Ba and e gives us b. Ba and o gives us bo. Ba and o gives us bo. Ba and u gives us bu. Ba and u gives us boo. We can do this similarly with the other consonants. Short vowels, ta, te, ti, to, tu, and long vowels, ta, te, ti, to, tu. Practice doing this with the other consonants. These sounds make up the Somali language basically. Practicing this will help you to read in Somali. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.